So you've seen Leafar her GZ feminine probiotics gummies popping up on your feed, cute packaging, bold claims about pH balance, digestive health, and even feeling juicy. But are they actually legit or just another wellness gimmick? Let's take a quick look. Quick disclaimer first, everything in this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Leefar's gummies are marketed as women's probiotics to support gut and vaginal health, with added cranberry and prebiotics. On Amazon, there are some decent reviews, mostly positive, but not super detailed. The product page says all the right things, but it kinda lacks third party credibility or scientific backing. Meanwhile, the Meridian Medical Center listing looks pretty generic, and real customer reviews there, and the product description feels more like ad copy than anything clinical. So for the final verdict, are they a scam? Doesn't look like it. They're real gummies with basic probiotic ingredients. What are they, a miracle cure for freshness and pH balance? Probably not. If you're curious, it might be worth a try. Just don't expect instant magic. Tried Lee for her GC gummies? Did they live up to the hype? Drop your honest thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no fluff reviews on trending products.